Hey there. Planning a trip abroad? While Amex is known for less fraud declines, setting a travel notification can still prevent hiccups and ensure your card works seamlessly overseas. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to notify them. The best method is through your online account or the Amex app. Go to Account Services, Card Management, and look for Travel Plans or Notify Us of Travel. Enter your destinations and travel dates. You can also call the number on the back of your card. This alerts their fraud systems that charges from those locations are expected. My crucial pro tip? Notify for domestic trips too, if they're unusual. If you live in New York and suddenly have a charge in California, it could be flagged. A quick notification for any trip outside your normal spending area is a smart habit. That's a simple step for uninterrupted spending, wherever your adventures take you. Do you still set travel notifications, or do you find them unnecessary with modern fraud systems? Let me know in the comments. For more tips for travelers, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.